Hello everyone and welcome to Flaming Azurite Studios. It has been a really long time since I've made a screencast, and in today's screencast we'll see how to install Drupal 7.12 using Wampsever on Windows. Installing Drupal is very similar to installing WordPress, but people find it difficult to install Drupal because the installation is kind of buggy. If you install it in Google Chrome, it might work, and if you install it in Firefox, it might work, and it might not work in all the three browsers, and it might not work on your whole system, but it will perfectly work on a Unix system. There are a lot of things. It all depends on your luck. And yeah, let's get started. To install Drupal 7.12 or any Drupal, as a matter of fact, you need to create a database first. So for that you have to start your Wampsever. Yes, and go to your tray and then click on the Wampsever icon, then click on PHP My Admin. Your default browser will open and your PHP My Admin will get loaded. Then click on databases, create a new database. I'll call my Drupal database as Drupal underscore database. Yes, okay, database is too long. I'll just put db Drupal underscore db create. Yeah, one thing you have to do now is click on the underscore db or Drupal underscore db, whatever, and go to privileges and click on edit privileges of root. Go to login information, and in the password just put no password, then click on go, and similarly do to the other two areas. No password, go, and now edit privileges of root localhost, no password, go. That's it, over. You have successfully created the database without any password. You definitely need a password when you are doing it on a server or a remote server, but since this is just a local installation, I really don't see the point in having a password. Not only me, most of the guys don't actually use a password. Now here is my Drupal 7.1.2 zip file. Double click on it, and then yeah, these are the contents of this particular zip file. Select all, Control A, extract to local disk C, wamp, www, and create a new directory. It's called shift Drupal. Okay. If everything went well, I should be able to see my Drupal directory. Yeah, everything is here. And remember, this .htaccess file is very, very, very important. So make sure that it is there in your Drupal installation, Drupal file folder. If you have extracted everything properly, it should be. I'm going to open my Firefox browser. There is a reason for that, and I'll explain it later. Yeah, sorry for that. I'll go to my local host, and then I'll go to my Drupal page, Drupal directory, and you should be getting something like this. If you have not installed Drupal before, just put standard and click on save and continue. English is only the language built in, so you have no other unless you want to install it in some other language, then you can follow this link, save and continue. Yeah, now depending on your database, if you are using WAMP, then it is definitely MySQL, so don't bother. But if you are actually using some other database, then press SQLite. And I remember it was Drupal _db. Database username is root and password name is nothing. Save and continue. And just wait for the installation to finish. You will be getting a screen like this which says initializing, and a status bar appears. Just wait for all the modules to get finished installed. All the modules got successfully installed. There is this 100% thing, and now this is the final thing. Just put my Drupal. Just write some username is just, I'm giving my initials here. Password is, give a strong password. Password should match. Some hints are given here, like you need to make your password stronger, you have to add uppercase letters, add some punctuations. It's up to you. Just put in your country name minus India, time zone, and hit on save and continue. Not now. Voila, you have finished everything, and here is your brand new Drupal site. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.